So what are we doing today? Well, we're listening to the bird calls from a start. First real decent fog of the winter and or of autumn. The currawongs that come out of the mountains. Anyway, we're looking at vehicles, and this is in the Argo series. We're going to do something about this hitch. Now, I have a swiveling hitch. That's a perfectly normal thing, and it's perfectly fine with the trailer I have, which has a locked lunette ring that doesn't spin. Now, in that combination, that's fine, but I have a trailer coming that has a swiveling lunette ring, and we're going to be putting a pintle ball hitch on the back of this thing that doesn't swivel. So, I've actually ordered a pintle ball for this, which is a combination pintle hitch with a tow ball on it, so you can do both in the one hitch. Problem is, I'm told somewhere along the lines having both the lunette ring and the hitch spinning is a bad idea. I know from a standpoint of breaking my ankle, that's a bad thing. I'm sure it's got some effect on the towing capacity, but I'm not entirely sure what that is or how it affects the stability, but I can envisage how it could be a problem. So before we pull this off, we need to find out if we can make that ring spin. All right. Alrighty. Right. Well, this thing weighs nearly 10 kilos. It is a solid hunk of steel. Alright, now apparently I've been told there's some way of flipping a washer around here to make this work. It does move if you see in here, so this little piece here might be all it just needs to get ground off. I might be able to take that down to the engineering works and get them to modify that for me. Alright, so I've thrown it in the back of the Rover. I'm going to go see my local engineering mob that I'm friends with and see what they can do for me.
2 hours later.
Just leaving the engineering works, and that lug's gone, so the whole thing rotates. We'll demo that in a minute, but you can see from here it all rotates nicely. Alright, so we're back home now, and this is what we did. So in this section here, you'll notice this tab's missing. So now the whole thing can free rotate. Should be good. So when I get my proper hitch, I'll bolt that straight on, no more problems. Alright. Now where are we? Okay. Alright, we have a swiveling lunette ring. Nifty. I need to put a bit of grease in here too. At least for the short term, what we can do is just give it a bit of WD just to help reduce the wear a little bit. Alright, cool bananas. Now we just wait for the other hitch to arrive.